Hi Tommaso, this is just a quick follow-up to one of the questions that you had regarding the mixing of users within the same building in Modeler. So since this is not available in Modeler directly, and until we add this kind of functionality that we know that is missing, there is a workaround to achieve that, and the workaround uses Excel. So here I have created a small example so that I explain how it works. So basically we take the advantage of using this LiveSync to Excel, and here I have added some formulas, and this gives me a lot of flexibility when it comes to how do I want to have this mix of users defined. I can add more users or less users, but basically you can see that now when I change a building in SketchUp, the data gets updated in Excel, and in the end all of the values here are being recalculated. Here you can see that I have created a mix of 3 users. I'm just changing the different absolute numbers, and the system now automatically calculates what is the ratio between those. So right now I have simple numbers, but I can go and change this to 1, and you can see everything gets updated accordingly. I see what is the ratio of different users within the building. I can see what is the GFA, what are then the calculated apartments, how much of each of the type of the apartment do we have in our model now. And I'm also have added the parking spaces requirement. Now here in the upper part I can change how the values are being calculated. So let's say 2-bedroom apartment maybe requires 1.2 parking spaces, and you can see the numbers here are being updated on the fly. And this is true either if I change any of the numbers here in the yellow part, all of the gray is being calculated, or if I change my building in the model, you can see that all of the values are being constantly updated to give me the numbers precisely to the mix that I have created. Yeah, hopefully this gives you a bit more of insight on what are the capabilities here, and you can imagine that this can be applied either to the building or to the complete city block and so on. Yeah, that's it for today. Bye bye.